How to add a page border in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a page border in Google Docs. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, a border can make your document look clean and professional, and you can easily do it. So here, once you are on your Google Docs, you simply have to go to the top and click on Insert. And now here in this section, you simply have to click on Drawings. And from there, you simply have to click on New. And once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, at the top, you simply have to click on Shape option. And now here from the drop down menu, simply click on shapes, and after that simply select the border shape that you want to add. For this video, I'll be adding the rectangle one. And now here, once you have selected that, just drag your cursor and make the shape of a rectangle like this. And now here, once you're done with it, you simply have to go to the top, and just beside the image option there is a fill color option, so simply click on it. And now here from the drop down menu, you simply have to click on transparent to make your border into a transparent color. And now here, once you're done with it, you simply have to go up again, and here you simply have to choose your border color. For this video, I'll be choosing the gray one. And now here, with that, you can also choose the thickness of your border, and you can also choose the design of the border that you like. And now here, once you're done with it, you can simply click on Save and Close. And now here, once you do that, your border will appear in the document. So here you simply have to click on it, and once you have selected it, just click on the three dot icon below that border option. And now here, once you click on it, from the pop-up menu, just click on All Image option. And now here, once you click on it, on the right hand sidebar, you simply have to click on Text Wrapping option. And now here in this section, just select this option that says In Front of Text. And now here, once you're done with it, you simply have to go back to the documents, and there you simply have to click on the borders, and once you have selected it, just click on the option that says Move with Text option, which can be seen at the bottom. And now here from the pop-up menu, just click on Fix Positions on Page. And now here, once you're done with it, you can simply adjust the position of the borders by dragging the corner handles like this, and you can do it pretty easily. That's it. That's how you can add borders in Google Docs. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.